Which flash is actually good for your Nikon D850? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top options to help you make the best choice. Product number 1, PHOTOLEX FK300. First up is the PHOTOLEX Camera Flash Speedlight FK300. Priced at just $40.99, it caught my attention with its impressive GN33 power output and versatility. If you want a reliable flash for portraits and events, this is worth a serious look. So why does the FK300 stand out? It features 3 flash modes, including manual for precise control and wireless trigger modes for multi-light setups. This is great if you're looking to get creative with your lighting. Plus, with 8 levels of power adjustment, you can easily tweak the light to suit your needs, whether you're going for a subtle fill or a bright flash. The 5600 Kelvin color temperature ensures your shots come out looking natural, without any weird color casts. With over 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that many photographers appreciate its performance. Now, some people have mentioned that the build quality isn't the best. Here's the thing though, for the price, it's still a solid option. If you're just starting out or need a backup flash, this won't let you down. This is perfect for you if you're an amateur photographer wanting to enhance your lighting without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're a professional relying on top-tier performance all the time. Overall, it offers great value for money. Now, if the FK300's build quality concerns you, the next one on my list might actually be better suited for durability and performance. Product number 2, Godox TT600. Next up is the Godox TT600, priced at $65. This flash caught my eye because of its built-in 2.4G wireless trigger system, making it incredibly versatile for creative setups. If you want flexibility in your shooting, this one is worth checking out. You can shoot up to 230 full power flashes with a recycling time of just 0.126 seconds, which is fantastic for capturing fast-moving subjects. Its high guide number of GN60 gives you a powerful flash with consistent 5600K color temperature, ensuring your shots maintain natural colors. With a 4.7-star rating from over 2,000 reviewers, it's clear this flash delivers for many photographers. But here's the thing, if you're primarily shooting in regular conditions, you likely won't miss HSS and you'll appreciate the other features it brings. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable flash that can handle various shooting scenarios. Skip this one if you need high-speed sync for every shoot. For what it offers, the price is pretty fair. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want brand-specific features. Product number 3, Nikon SB700. Coming in at $296.95, the Nikon SB700 AF Speedlight is a powerhouse specifically made for Nikon DSLRs. What I really liked here is the precision ITTL flash control, which makes it a great choice for Nikon users. If you want seamless compatibility and performance, this is a great pick. Its hot shoe and wireless operation give you the flexibility to shoot in various environments, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Plus, the precision flash control means you can achieve that perfect exposure every time. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,700 reviews, many Nikon users swear by its reliability. But here's the downside, it is quite pricey compared to others on this list. Now some might see that as a deal breaker, but if you're serious about photography and want consistent results, investing in the SB700 is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated Nikon user looking for a reliable flash with advanced features. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just need a basic flash. It's a solid investment for serious photographers. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still offers great features, the next product is definitely worth a look. Product number 4, PHOTOLEX FK310. The PHOTOLEX Camera Flash Speedlight FK310 comes in at just $41.39 and packs quite a punch with its GN33 output and user-friendly LCD display. I was impressed by how intuitive it is, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid features, this is a great choice. The FK310 offers 4 flash modes, including a multi-mode for creative stroboscopic effects, which can really elevate your photography game. It also features a fine power adjustment with 22 levels, giving you far more precision than typical flashes. This means you can control the output exactly how you want it, which is fantastic for achieving that perfect lighting. The consistent 5500K color temperature ensures your images look natural. With 1,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clearly a favorite among many. However, some users pointed out that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's my perspective: if you're just starting out or need an affordable flash for casual shoots, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It still performs well for the price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable flash with good features. Skip this if you're a pro needing top-of-the-line gear. It offers great value without the hefty price tag. Now, if you want something that combines flexibility with higher-end features, the last product on my list might be just what you're after. Product number 5, Godox IT32. Finally, we have the Godox IT32 TTL camera flash priced at $98.90. What really caught my attention is its magnetic hot shoe and trigger system that allows for seamless transitions between on-camera and off-camera lighting. If you want flexibility and ease of use, this is definitely worth considering. The IT32 offers effortless multi-light sync with the built-in 4 GHz receiver. Plus, the smart recognition feature displays all critical information on the screen, so you're never in the dark about your settings. With a 4.7-star rating from over 600 reviews, it has received a lot of positive feedback from users. Some users did mention that the setup could be a bit complex at first, but honestly, once you get used to it, the ease of use and creativity it allows far outweighs this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality flash that can grow with your skills. Skip this if you're looking for something extremely basic. For the features you get, it's a solid investment. So to quickly recap, the PHOTOLEX FK300 is great for beginners on a budget. The Godox TT600 offers advanced wireless features. The Nikon SB700 is perfect for dedicated Nikon users. The PHOTOLEX FK310 provides great value. And finally, the Godox IT32 brings flexibility to your setups. Each of these flashes has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best before making a choice.